Sinosilk is a professional custom and whole silk products supplier located in Hangzhou, China. It was founded on 2016, specialized in custom printed or embroidered silk scarves, pillowcases, sleep masks, fabrics, scrunchies, headbands, face masks, bonnet, ties, pajamas and robes. Has serviced thousands of customers around the world. Cooperative brands cover clothing, cosmetics, jewelry, watches, museums, schools, salons, designers. Continuously get reorders with competitive price, good quality, service and new technique like double-sided digital printing. For Sinosilk, silk products manufacturing is pure indulgence. Silk is not just a piece of fabric, in fact it is a most exquisite work of art that we create, but silk should not mean to be expensive. We advocate to make everyone can enjoy the beauty and comfort of silk at affordable price and durable quality. All silk products supplied in Sinosilk comply with all norms of the European standards and other major independent testing agencies. Available testing reports can be provided for reference such as OEK/OTEX standard, which means all silk products made by Sinosilk are 100% safe. Sinosilk insists to have employees fairly paid, to produce eco-friendly and efficiently, to improve technique and reduce wastage, to help people in need, because we believe that social responsibility, environmental accountability and responsibility are of utmost importance to nurture a positive work culture and sustain growth. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to discuss cooperation and create a better future.